This is the Biafran State House, the place that the Biafran government used as its government house after the federal forces took over Enugu. Now, those buildings originally belonged to Michael Okpara, who later donated it to be the Biafran government house. Also, this place contains the Ojukwu Bunker, where Ojukwu usually stay to avoid damage from airstrikes and anything that might result from the war. Right here, we are here in Umuahia, in Abia State, and behind me is a statue of the late Biafran leader, Major General Odumegwu Ojukwu. And this place we are here is where it is called Ojukwu Bunker, the popular Ojukwu Bunker, and the last government house of the Republic of Biafra. Right beneath me is where Ojukwu used as his office and piloted the affairs of Biafra for nearly 10 out of the 30 months existence of the Federal Republic of Biafra. Because as the war raged on, the people moved, the government house moved from Enugu to Anambra, from Anambra to Umuahia. The Ahira declaration was also made in this particular state. So everything here resonates Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. And it's no, insane why it seems like the clamor for the restoration of Biafra is higher in this particular state, Abia State, because Afaraukwu, the home of Nnamdi Kanu, is just about a stone throw away from this particular place. To some of us who grew up in Enugu and other parts of Igbo land, Biafra is a story of something that happened in the past. But for most of them here, Biafra is something they are living with, because you can't be living a stone throw away from the Ojukwu Bunker, and also a stone throw away from the bunker where Okoko them and it broadcasted to the entire Biafrans, where all the war memorials are, and you don't feel like you are still inside Biafra, because once you're around this place, it's more like this is still Biafra, we are still Biafra, and Biafra is still in us. So it is very difficult to take away this spirit, because once you enter in this environment, the spirit of Biafra continues to whisper to you. It's more like without end. The tour guide led us down into the Ojukwu Bunker, where there is a conference room, an office, a bedroom, a prison or cell, and other things, all contained beneath the ground you are seeing. Going down to the place that the Biafran head of state had to go in for safety.
Left or right?
Any side.
Okay. Our room. Wow. So beautiful.
Yes, Biafran head of states.
Yes.
Palace of Conference. This place now.
Palace.
This is Dr. Palace of Conference. Palace of Conference room. Yes. These pictures are pictures of leaders of thought. The people that cancelled him during this movement.
Cancelled him.
The answers.
Okay.
Yes, Children was more like an ambassador.
Wow.
Then it was great.
What is here?
That was very good documents.
This is
Like,
Professor.
like minutes of the meetings and
Michael
like
Kibo.
And
This is
there were other chambers, including a kitchen, a toilet, a store, a cell, the bedroom, the conference room, and anything you can think of.
okay. This is the kitchen. Wow.
kitchen, right?
And
the store.
toilet. Oh, wait, ma. Have you? Okay, I don't want to call phone now.
What is this now? This, they built this place in 1968.
This bathtub never since. Wow.
This is the kitchen.
Did you build the store?
This is the kitchen cabinets. Here is water supply and everything.
Can I go half a year?
And this is a two bedroom.
Oh,
Two bedroom. This place.
okay. Here's the second dining. Okay, dining room.
You can see this space is well conditioned. The space.
For air condition.
Ventilation is well. The space is well conditioned.
So we're going out. Eh?
Actually, from this escape route. Let's go.
In the video. In the video.
Okay.
I can't do this thing with one hand though.
There is also an escape route from which one can leave in case of emergency. Yes. Alright. So, trying to escape. Imagine carrying AK-47 with like 2 pistols and 4 bombs. And carrying a very heavy bag with ammunition. Trying to escape. Very fast because the soldiers are almost here. None of Zachariah.
The ladder is for civilians.
I work for soldiers. Soldiers will jump.
Once a soldier is already here, that's when you jump. Wow. Okay, this is the other escape.
54 years ago, a ceasefire was called, and it was declared that there was no victor and no vanquished. But since then till this present day, the things that caused the Biafran war, the things that caused the Biafran genocide are still very much with us, and every day Nigeria are always on the brink of repeating the very same mistake. So it's upon us to try as much as we can to ensure that there is no repeat of the ugly civil war.